Milk thistle tablets are a biological food supplement. It has anti-inflammatory, laxative, hemostatic, choleretic, hepatoprotective effects. Thanks to the fruits of spotted milk thistle and rose hips introduced into its composition, the supplement serves as an additional source of flavonoids, ascorbic acid and other substances for the human body. Indications: with diseases of the liver, biliary tract, spleen, cholelithiasis, hemorrhoids, colitis, diseases of the cardiovascular system, respiratory organs. As a biologically active food supplement, a source of flavonoids containing vitamin C. How to use: adults 2 tablets 2 to 3 times a day with meals. Duration of admission 1 to 2 months. Contraindications: individual intolerance to the components of dietary supplements, pregnancy and lactation. Before use, it is recommended to consult a doctor.